Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel Blended Learning with Success. Today let's begin with statistics. Arabic translation of statistics is here. This is the Arabic translation of statistics. And in short, statistics can be defined as collecting and analyzing of numerical data. There are many ways to analyze the numerical data. This is the translation of data, and the complete translation of this sentence is this one. Data are the actual collected values. Data are the actual collected values and used for the purpose of analysis. And used for the purpose of analysis is nothing but data. The Arabic translation for data is this one. So there are many ways to analyze the data, many ways, numerous ways. So one of the method among them is to find the center value of the data. To find the center value of the data. So the technical term to find the center value of the data is measure of central tendency. And the Arabic translation of measure of central tendency is this one. This is the Arabic translation for measure of central tendency. To find the center value of the data is nothing but the measure of central tendency. Today we are going to find measure of central tendency. One of the tool of measure of central tendency. There are three common tools: mean, median and mode. These are the three common tools to find the measure of central tendency. In this video, today we are going to learn only the mean. This is the Arabic translation of mean, and this is the Arabic translation of median, and this is the Arabic translation for mode. Today we are going to learn mean, median and mode. We will learn in the video measure of central tendency part 2. In this video, we will learn median and mode with Arabic translation. And the application of mean, median and mode is in the video measure of central tendency part 3. Application. This is the translation of application, and the links for these videos are available in the below description box. Disclaimer: this is an educational video. Data in this video are not the actual values. So let me start with mean. This is the Arabic translation for mean, and the technical term for this mean is arithmetic mean. In simple, the mean can be defined as it is obtained by adding all the numbers in the given data. This is the translation of data. And then dividing the number of values in the given set. Adding all the numbers by total number of values is nothing but the mean. Simple, very simple. It is also known as average. So it is denoted. This is the translation of denoted. This is the translation for denoted. So it is denoted by X bar. You have to read this as X bar. Formula. This is the translation for formula. Formula for finding mean. Rule for finding mean. For ungrouped data, there are two types of data are there. One is group, another is ungrouped. This is a translation for ungrouped. When the data is not grouped, is called the ungrouped data. So the mean for the ungrouped data is sigma x by n. Sigma x. Sigma x means sum of the data, adding all the data, adding all the numbers, by total number of data values. The same thing I have written. Adding all the numbers by number of values, total number of values is nothing but the mean. This is mean. And for grouped data, when the data is grouped, then the mean is sigma fx by sigma f. Sigma fx by sigma f. This I will show with an example. This all we will study with an example. What is this sigma fx and what is sigma x? We will see with an example. Let me start first example. The temperature of city Muscat on Fridays in afternoon in the months of March and April 2020 was. This is the temperature. Question is find the mean. Find the mean. This is ungrouped data. Data is ungrouped here. So solution to find the mean for this data. Formula. First step 1, formula. This is the translation of formula. Step 1 is formula. Mean x bar equal to sigma x by n. What is sigma x? Sigma is nothing but adding all the numbers from the data by total number of data values. This is the step 1. Step 2, add these values. 28 plus 33 plus 32 plus 30, 34, 29, 31, 34 plus 38. Add all this, adding all the numbers. By total number, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divided by 9. Sum of the adding all the numbers by total number. How many numbers are there? 9. Now calculate all these values. 28 plus 33, we will get 289. Calculate all these values, we will get 289 divided by 9. On simplification, we will get 32.11. Step 1, write the rule. Step 2, sum of the data by total number of data, and calculate this one. Step 3, finish. Only 3 steps to find the mean. Step 1, step 2, this is step 3. Let me see one more example. Recovered patients in Iran from COVID-19 in the first 8 days of 2020 were. This is the data. Find the mean. The question is find the mean. This is the ungrouped data. Find the mean. To find, let's go for the solution. First, you have to write the formula for mean. That is mean x bar equal to sigma x by n. Sigma x means adding all the numbers from the data by total number of data values. Add all the numbers. 302 plus 523 plus 398 plus 217 plus 500 plus 645 plus 500 plus 523. Add all these values divided by total number of data values. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. Now add all these values. We will get 3608 divided by 8. On simplification, it is 451. 451. Find the mean. Mean for this data is 451. Hope you understood. First, you have to write the rule. Then, according to rule, you have to add all the values by total number of data values and simplify. That is the mean. Finished. Now, let me see one more important question in the mean. Very repeated question for the mean. Find the value of P if the mean of 8, 7, 10, 9, P and 6 is 8. Here what is given? If the mean is how much? 8 is given. The mean is 8, which is given in the question. Required to find the value of P. One of the data value, this P is missing in the data. The data is given, in that one of the data value is missing. It is required to find the mean here. So the solution for this one is, step 1 again, write the rule for this one. Mean x bar equal to sigma x by n, which is nothing but adding all these values by total number of data values. 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus P plus 6 divided by, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. Sum of all these data values divided by 6. What is given in the question? If the mean for this data, mean is how much? 8. 8 is given in the question. Mean is 8. This is given in the question. This 8 is given in the question. Now simplify. Simplify this one. You will get the value of P. Let me simplify. 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 42 plus P divided by 6, which is equal to 8. Now multiply 6 into 8. 6 goes to this side, we can multiply. 6 goes to this side, it will get multiplied. 8 into 6. 42 plus P is equal to 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 42 plus P is equal to 48. Now 42 goes this side, other side of the equation. Plus 42 goes other side of the equation. It becomes minus 42. P equal to 48 minus 42. 48 minus 42 is 6, which implies P is equal to 6. The question is find the value of P, and P is equal to 6. We got it. This is the value of P. P. This is one of the very important question. Now the last question, one of the most important question, that is for the grouped data. Find the arithmetic mean for the following distribution. This is group data. Hope you are understanding difference between the previous question and this question. You can see here the data is ungrouped. All just numbers are given. And now you can see here the data is in group. 0 to 5 only 1. 5 to 10. Let this be the marks of the students and this is the number of students. So 0 to 5 marks only one student got. And 5 to 10 marks 3 students got the 5 to 10 marks. So like this the data is grouped here with the frequency. So this is known, this is an example for grouped data. This is a translation for grouped data. This is an example for the grouped data. So let me start the solution. First, what you have to do is here write the rule. What is the rule? Mean for this one, rule for this one, mean x bar equal to sigma fx by f. Mean x bar is equal to sigma fx by f. This is the rule. What is x? X is the middle value of the class interval. This is the class interval, right? So in this one, this is the x is nothing but the middle value of this class interval. So I am writing starting with class interval. Write in a column class interval. This class interval. The same thing I am writing in the column. Next we write the frequency in a column. Okay. Next what we have to do? Find this x. We need to find this x. What is the x? X is the middle value of the class interval. Find the middle value x. X of the class interval. How to get the middle value? 0 plus 5 divided by 2. 0 plus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 on calculation we will get 2.5. This 2.5 write it here. This 2.5 write this one. This is the x for this range 0 to 5. The middle value for this one is 2.5. Next one 5 to 10. Add 5 plus 10 divided by 2. 5 plus 10 divided by 2. 5 plus 10 divided by 2. How much? 15 by 2. 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5. Keep this 7.5 here. This is the middle value for this class interval. Next 10 to 15. The middle value for this one 10 plus 15 by 2. 10 plus 15 by 2 is equal to 25 divided by 2, which is equal to 12.5. 25 by 2 on calculator, use the calculator, you will get 25 by 2 is equal to 12.5. This 12.5 write it here. Next 15 to 20, middle value for this one 15 plus 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 plus 20 is 35 divided by 2. 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. This 17.5 over here. Now the last middle value 20 to 25. For this one the middle value 20 to 25. 20 plus 25 divided by 2. Add here 20 plus 25 by 2 is equal to 20 plus 25 45. 45 by 2. 45 by 2 is equal to 22.5. This 22.5 you write it here. So we got the x. We got the x middle values we got. Next we need f into x. F into x. This we need. So write the column for f into x. This is the f frequency. F is the frequency. X is the middle value. Multiply these two. Multiply these two. That is the f into x. 1 into 25 is 2.5. 1 into 25. F is 1. X is 2.5. 1 into 25 is 2.5. Next 3 into 7.5. 3 into 7.5 is equal to 22.5. Right? 22.5 over here. Next 6 into 12.5. 6 into 12.5 is equal to 75. 4 into 17.5. 4 into 17.5 is equal to 70. 2 into 22.5. 2 into 22.5 is equal to 45. So we got the fx. We got the fx and we have the f. Now find f sigma f. Sigma f means adding all the frequencies. Sigma f, this one, sum of the frequencies. Sigma f equal to 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 16. This is the sigma f. Next, what we need? Sigma fx. This one we need. Sigma fx. Sigma fx is equal to 2.5 plus 22.5 plus 75 plus 70 plus 45 is equal to 215. Fx 215, sigma f 16. Replace, keep here 215 by 16. 215 by 16. So using calculator, this is approximately equal to 13.43. So the mean for the group data is, for this data is 13.43. Hope you understood very well. So we discussed almost all type of problems which can be repeated in the exams. Hope you understood mean very well. Thanks for watching. Watch the videos on median and mode to understand the complete concept of measures of central tendency. Links for these videos are available in the below description box. Disclaimer: this is an educational video. Data in this video were not the actual values. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get the new video updates. Mas